it's interesting to me to see that things that I said get taken and turned into programs. Okay, please don't only market on your Mercury. If you take the marketing by design class that's in Teachable, you'll learn that what I say is that marketing isn't about your type or what's in your chart. Marketing is about your client. And if you start marketing based on your design, you're missing the point of marketing. It's about making sure that you're communicating in a very systematic, psychologically proven way that helps people find the solutions to the pain that they're experiencing in their life. And that doesn't have anything to do with your chart. That being said, your chart will contain a couple of cues and clues as to how you can best construct your message to best meet the needs of your potential client. And if you only market based on your Mercury, you're really missing the point. So let's anytime we talk about business, or as you just said, Amy, communication, it's about exploring ways to best be heard by the person receiving the communication. And certainly when we're talking about business is a place of service. It's a place where all of you, because of the work that you do, you're taking your heart and you're basically opening the doors to your heart and saying, come in. Come into this heart space. Step into this space where I have for you places where you can transform your fear into something of greater value, into your power, where you can transform your fear into healing, where you can go from limiting yourself to expanding yourself into a deeper state of integrity and expression of the truth of who you are. That's not about you. That's about you holding space for your client. And I think if all of us can get that one little piece about business, that one little piece about marketing, especially, all the ickiness that we have about marketing goes away. Marketing becomes this joyful place of rolling out a red carpet to people and saying, hey, are you ready yet? And if they're not ready yet because of some kind of external circumstances, it also is an invitation for us to ask ourselves, okay, here's a group of people over here who don't have money, because their pain has gotten them into a situation, their conditioning has gotten them into a situation where they forgot that they are enough. How can I use what I do over here to also serve over here? That's the piece that I want you to be clear on. It is limiting to consider verbal communication as the only way we communicate, which is also why alignment is so important, because when you walk into the room in an aligned state, or you market from an aligned place and you serve from an aligned place, then you're holding an energy field that communicates much more clearly than any language you could use. So yeah, I mean, the words matter. Words create a frequency of energy too. And we have to also be energetically aligned with it. So